Hi! If you are here to find out how to make this gorgeous, colorful, happy necklace, then drop everything else and keep watching. Welcome to my channel. Here you can learn easy beading techniques and tips to take your craft to designer level. I am Mia, your guide, helping you to upgrade your beading skills. You're welcome. The base you need is a flower made with our snake chain technique, and you will find the link for that detailed technique in the card and the description below. These flowers are connected together to create a happy design. The focal point is made with branches, completing the spring theme of the design. We start with our seed bead that we use as a stopper. Then we add 5 seed beads. This would be part of the branch. Now we pick up 3 pearls and 1 seed bead, which is the center of the flower. We go back through the first pearl. We pick up 2 pearls and go back up the first pearl after the center of the flower. Now we flip over, so we have the bead with the thread coming out towards our right, and now we add 4 seed beads, which will be the connecting branch, and this is why we need to have the 3 beads in the outward position and the 2 ones inside. And now we go back up the 5 seed beads from the branch and we pull the thread, and here we have our first unit. For the second unit we start with a branch, so we pick up 5 seed beads, and this would be 2, 4, 5, the seed beads of the branch. Then we pick up 3 of the pearls, 1 seed bead for the center of the flower, and this is the next sequence. So 5 for the branch, 3 for the flower, 1 for the center of the flower, and we create the loop by going back through the first pearl. Now we complete the flower by adding 2 pearls and going back through the pearl that is right after the center of the flower. We flip over, so we have the 2 seed beads pointing towards your right. Pick up 4 seed beads for the connector branch, and here we connect 2 seed beads from under where the previous flower has been connected to the branch, and through all these 5 seed beads. Pull the thread so we make sure that good. And this is the second unit. For the next unit, we just repeat this sequence. And the sequence is 5 seed beads for the branch, 2, 4, 5, 3 for the flower, the pearls, and here you can decide on the color of the pearls, you can change it, and 1 seed bead for the center. Create the loop for the flower, pick up 2 pearls, go back up through the pearl after the center seed bead, pull the thread, flip the flower so it's pointing to your right, pick up 4 seed beads for the connector, and then go back up 2 seed beads from under where the previous flower has been connected to the main branch, and the 5 ones that we have added for this step. And this is another unit, and you just continue. Here on our necklace we have used the color differently on both branches, both sides. Here less color, and here I have changed the color every branch. And if you want to tell a story with your design, I think that by the way you use the color you can suggest something. And my idea was to suggest that the spring starts here and blossoms totally on the other side. Now let me show you the structure of the necklace. The necklace is made up of 2 halves, 9 inches each, and they are connected in the middle with a bridge, and on this bridge I have created the branches. Let's see how we make the bridge between the 2 branches. Here I have made 2 small branches. When we make the bridge, we make sure that the position of the branches are like this, so the last flowers that we have added are towards the outside, and here we are going to create our bridge. And for this we pick up 3 seed beads, we go back around 3 seed beads and up, we create some brick stitch. So this would be the first set of seed beads. We continue with the second set of 3 seed beads. you make sure that the thread is well pulled. So we have 1, 2, let's add another 1, 3, and I'll show you how you can check to see if it's enough. So the idea is that the bridge must cover for at least the width of the 2 flowers together. So here I would add another 1 so they don't squash. So let's add another set of 3. 1, 2, and 3. Let's have another look. Yep, this seems to be quite okay. And now we can connect the bridge with the other branch. So we have the branches like this, and we go back up 3 seed beads from this other half of the necklace. And here we have our bridge. And using this bridge, we are going to create the branches. For the branches, we make sure that the thread points down towards the lower position of the necklace, the way it is worn. And we start by adding about 20 seed beads for the external 1 and 2, and for the middle one about 23, 24. So we have a slight difference of length, so it's not too bulky. Okay. So let's say that this is the length of our branch. If we want, we can add 1 pearl at the end of the branch. And to create the branches, we skip the last one and we go back up the pearl and 3 seed beads. And now we add 4 seed beads. We skip the last one. If we go back up through 3 and then through the next 3 from the main branch. And here we have our first side branch, and we continue like this for the entire length of the branch. 2, 4, skip the last, go back up, and then back up the next 3 from the main branch. And this is how you create a branch down each of the set of beads that created the bridge. And at the end you will have this focal point. I hope you like this tutorial for using the flowers in a totally new way. If you want to know how I make the clasp, just let me know and I will make a tutorial about it. Thank you for watching. Ciao ciao.